Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Centrum Recharge. This convenient energy drink mix is designed to help you replenish essential vitamins and minerals lost during daily activities. It supports your energy levels, boosts immunity, and aids in hydration. Each sachet is packed with 13 vital nutrients, making it a simple addition to your routine for overall wellness. For adults, the recommended dosage is 1 sachet per day. To prepare, simply tear open a single sachet and pour the powder into a glass. Add approximately 200 milliliters of water, then stir thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved. It's important to consume the mixture immediately after preparation to ensure optimal effectiveness. Centrum Recharge offers several key benefits. It provides an instant energy boost, thanks to its blend of B vitamins and 50 milligrams of caffeine. Ingredients like vitamin C and zinc are included to support your immune system. Additionally, magnesium and vitamin B12 work together to help reduce feelings of tiredness and fatigue. This formula is also low-calorie and contains no added sugar. Before using Centrum Recharge, please note some important considerations. Always adhere to the recommended daily dosage of 1 sachet. Do not exceed it. This product is not suitable for children, pregnant, or lactating women, or individuals sensitive to caffeine. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications, it is wise to consult your healthcare professional first. Store the sachets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.